Drippy by Tristan Wiz
Oh,
Nah,
my
bro, stop
fucking
talking.
goodness.
on all platforms.
Nah, nobody listens.
You say hot nude male 37?
Nah, listen to that shit, bro.
I bet.
That nigga's
Spike
one.
down
That
A.
nigga's one.
One and
Yo, bro. Y'all ever heard that Triz the Wiz? That shit gas.
No way you dick riding like this now.
That motherfucker suck, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, you not wrong, though. He do
He
something.
pretty ass.
I know,
The dick riding is crazy.
last player standing.
Oh,
voice
see,
acting?
he's ass in fucking Valorant too.
You have like full util, bro. You have like full.
That's even crazy. That's all
what
that
the
was
fuck?
crazy. Had all the Pokemon.
Yeah, all the fuck.
He threw it behind you. You didn't hear it. You would have been. fucking
That's
cussed.
very insensitive to people who are
Yo, Gecko, I'm not gonna lie. That was probably the most unfunny shit I've ever heard in my entire life.
This is gonna be a good game.